Alright, welcome back y'all. This time around we've got a challenge locking device called Pix or It Didn't Happen by the one and only Cameron Dunn. I say Pix or It Didn't Happen because that's what it says on the key tag, but on the back it also has a number 15. There's the key. It's pretty decent actually bidding on the key. It's really the shape of the key and the keyway that's a real pain in the butt. It's pretty what do you call it? Paracentric, I guess. Lock does work though. Pull down on the key and it works fine. Other than that, it's got kind of a tick to it. But I've just picked this, well, not just now, but I've picked this one like probably 3 or 4 times, but I just had fail after fail trying to get it on camera. It's really, really tricky. So I'm going to try and get right into it and see if we can't get the sucker open on camera. Yeah, I pick it open, then I turn the camera on. You know how it goes. It's one of those camera shy locks. I'm going to center it up just a little bit better. There we go. So I'll be using this little short hook, one of the Southord hooks, because it's got the low shaft, because I got to go off this ledge right here. So let me see if I can get it started. Usually if I can get to that false set, it may open. It's getting to that false set that's a real pain in the butt. Real pain in the butt. A slight turn, but you'll see it's much harder than it's probably going to look. Ooh, don't want to lose that tension wrench. And now I'm not getting any kind of well, maybe right here. Felt like I was getting some feedback there. Oh, we just went into a seriously deep false set. Seriously deep. But I've had this before, and I was unable to get out of it. Just a little while ago, actually. Come on, baby. There it goes. I'll be dipped in buttermilk. Wow. I'm telling you, I just had, I want to say 3 fails trying to get this thing on camera. So I am definitely keeping this one. I'm not going to try that again. All right, so let's see what's in this SOB right here. Pix or It Didn't Happen. Yeah, it almost didn't happen, pal. All right, let's get the camera down and get widened out a little bit here. Keep it in the frame. All right. Wow. I'll tell you what, man. Oh, shiznit. Alright, let's go down here. So, it was just stuck on the vise, so we're very much open. It's not a deep false set. Way open. Alright, fantastico. That's exciting. Alright. Oh, those locks drive me nuts when you pick them a couple times and then you turn the camera on and it just doesn't cooperate. That is so frustrating. It's like, what am I doing wrong? Oh, all right. Get the key up in there. But yeah, that keyway, as you can see, it's not real bad, but it's not ideal either. Well, for picking, it's ideal for a good lock. All right, pull down on the key. I'll try to get a shim in there. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's see. Feels kind of tight actually. Oh. It's going. All right. so pins are going to be over here. Oh yeah, see, part of the problem, it was that rear pin. I thought so. I was having a hard time with that pin in the back. As you can tell, they all needed picking. Let's see what we got in here. Yep, got a serration on top of one. Yep, been some work to these. Fantastic lock, Cameron. Well done. Yep, it was that sixth pin is like a cone-shaped T-pin combobulation. Okay, let me get some specs on here so I can see as good as the camera does. On the core, we've got threading in 1, 2, 4, and 5. Yep, threading in 1, 2, 4, and 5. Nicely done. Nicely done. Get that shim out of there and carefully get some pins out of here. All right, where are we at? Right here. Nice. Couple serrations on top of one. Single serration on top of two. Like a standard in 3 to keep things lined up. Well played. Oop, yeah, buddy. That's a nice, we'll get a close-up on all of them, but check that bad boy out. Yep. That's probably at least one of the reasons I kept getting hung up and having failed attempts. Nicely serrated in 5. It's got some different types of springs too, so that's nice. Gives it a different feel. Alright, now I think, yep, all the way in the back. Well played. Drunken spool. Modified drunken spool. Yep, there's the wafer to push it. Well played. What a great... I don't feel bad for having failed attempts on this thing, I'll tell you what. Let me see if I can see anything up in this bad boy right here. I do not. I don't see any mods up in there. Not that I can tell anyway. Up in the Bible. I don't see any. Well played. Phenomenal. Cameron, what a freaking great lock, man. Beautiful. Let's get a close-up on these bad boys right here. Beautiful. Alright, key pins. We've got a serration on the top of one, double serrated reduced. It's like a T-pin key pin right there that's serrated. I'd call this kind of the same thing almost in number 3. Really cool pin right there in 3. Double serrated in 4. Serrated with a, it's almost reduced also. The diameter is. And then we got this kind of cone-shaped T-pin key pin in 6. Really freaking awesome. Because I'm telling you, I had a major problem in the back of that lock. That's why I had to use that southward with the low shaft on it to get back there. Drivers, we got a double serrated in 1, single serration in 2, a standard in 3 to keep things lined up. Well played. 4, we've got this, again, like a reduced diameter. It's kind of a T-pin with a serration on it. I hope the camera's picking that up good. I think I moved it, sorry. And then 5, looks like triple serrated, and then we got this modified drunken spool. As you can see, the end right there. It's been tricked out a little bit. Really well played. And then springs do vary. Just a little bit, just to throw things off a little bit more. Cameron Dunn, thank you so much for pinning that up. Highly appreciate it. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll probably go ahead and get this uploaded since we're not having any tornado watch today. We just went through some really horrific weather. We lost power for a few hours the other night, but it was late at night, so I really didn't care. But I didn't want to upload anything and take the chance of losing the video, losing the power halfway through an upload. So again, thank you all so much for watching. As always, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Big Al, signing off.